The OnePlus 12 is about to be launched in China and new information is coming out. A person sharing tips, digital chat station, posted a lot of details on Weibo. They talked a lot about the OnePlus 12's display and even shared real-life pictures of the phone and its BOE X1 display. OnePlus 12 will have a big 6.82-inch screen. It's an 8T LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1440 x 3168 pixels. The screen can change how fast it refreshes from 1 to 120 times per second. The display is made by BOE and is very bright. In auto mode, it can reach a super bright 4500 nits, and with a manual slider in normal use, it goes up to 1722 nits. Also, the latest information says that the OnePlus 12 screen has a thing called the just noticeable color difference, and its average value is 0.35. The display also got an A+ certification from DisplayMate, which means it's recognized for being really good at showing bright and accurate colors. The OnePlus 12 has a new screen, and it comes with Oppo's P1 display chip. This chip helps with eye protection by using something called 2160 Hz PWM dimming. The screen also does a better job of showing colors in sunlight because it has special technology that improves color accuracy. This includes algorithms that make colors look good in sunlight and a technology that adjusts each tiny dot on the screen to show colors accurately. Also, the president of the company, Li Jiluz, has shared samples from the camera of the OnePlus 12 on the Chinese Weibo network. Let's take a look. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.